Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Wi-Fi settings. Regularly updating your Wi-Fi network name and password is a crucial step for maintaining a secure and organized home network. This practice helps to prevent unauthorized access to your internet connection, safeguarding your personal information, and ensuring your bandwidth isn't being used by others. A unique network name also makes your Wi-Fi easily identifiable, especially in areas with many wireless networks. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll need to access your router's administration page. First, find your router's IP address, usually printed on a label on the device itself. Common addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Next, open any web browser and type this IP address into the address bar. You'll then be prompted to enter your router's administrator username and password, which are also typically found on the router or in its documentation. Once logged in, locate the wireless settings section, often found under a wireless or Wi-Fi settings tab. Here, you can change your network's name, known as the SSID. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, you can set different names for each. Most importantly, create a robust new password. We recommend a minimum of 12 characters, incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to maximize security. Finally, after updating your SSID and password, remember to click Save or Apply within the router's interface. This action will usually cause your router to reboot, applying the new settings. Once the router restarts, all your devices that were previously connected will lose their Wi-Fi connection. You will need to manually reconnect each device using your newly chosen network name and password. Take a moment to test the connection on a few different devices to ensure everything is functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.